Welcome back, my followers. I'm your host, JD Knoles, and this is another episode of Knoles Cool Stuff. Alright, so right before me, we have the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, and we're doing a charging test today. But not your normal charging test. Today we are going to check out the wireless charging test. And because Huawei claims that this phone can charge at 27 watts wireless. Alright. That's faster than some other phone companies' normal charging rate. Alright? So, what I went out and bought a Huawei wireless charger. This is at max 27 watt for wireless charging. So, we're going to see how fast the Huawei charges wireless here on Knoles Cool Stuff. Alright guys, so we have our Huawei Mate 30 Pro. We have our Huawei wireless charger, which can charge at 27 watts. And Huawei claims that this Mate 30 Pro can charge at 27 watts wireless. Alright, so we're going to test it out. So let's take a look at the phone real quick. The battery is dead. Alright, see, little red nut. It is dead. Dead. Alright, so let's get to this test and figure out how long will it take to do a wireless charging test on the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. Is their claims at 27 watt fast charging true or not true? We're going to take a look here on Knoles Cool Stuff. Okay, so was that fast or not fast in your opinion? Alright, so to charge the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, which has a 4,500 milliamp battery with a 27 watt fast charging, or as they're saying, what they call it, wireless Huawei Supercharge. Alright, now it took 2 hours and 29 minutes. Was that fast in your opinion for wireless charging? Let me know down in the comments. Alright, so this was another episode of Knoles Cool Stuff. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, hit the bell for notifications, and be grateful if you hit the sub button. Alright, until next time, my followers, as always, be cool.